Floor Talk here in Miami at LTF 2024 is Rafael Stark. He is the founder and CEO at Stark Bank. Rafael, fantastic to have you here. Thanks for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
My pleasure. So let's start off by talking about Stark Bank. Talk to me about the company and your mission.
Sure. Well, Stark Bank's a bank. We serve just businesses. And our mission is to help entrepreneurs to fulfill their full potential, giving them the best financial technology, helping them to scale their operations.
Okay, so now, how are you different from others that are banks?
Yeah, good question, right? So basically, at Stark Bank, we believe that tech is, we offer technology, we invest a lot on technology to change things on companies. So we give tools, software, because all banks do it. Receive money, send money, save money, all banks do it. But not only the transactional that all banks do it, we give software to companies. So we give expense management software to companies to have control over their operations, analytics data, dashboards. We give approval flow tools. We basically give a set of software to help companies, especially medium to large, that have a lot of complexity, to simplify their financial.
Okay, all right, now let's talk about AI. What are your thoughts on the future of AI and how it could affect your business and your customers?
Definitely, I think AI have a lot of interesting applications. I don't see much yet being used by banks. So internally, we're talking about how we can create something to our customers, because for me, what's different other technology to AI is the magic around it, right? When you use some products that use AI, like ChatGPT or Photoshop, you see magic around, like talk to the machine or ask the Photoshop to create an image and they create something that, it's something super nice. But in banking, there are some applications that's obvious, like anti-frauds, shots to customers, or give orders to send transactions, approve transactions by shot. But we're still thinking on something that are more magical than that. So I think AI will help not only banks, but any kind of companies to have more productivity.
And what are you focused on as you look to the remainder of the year? What are your priorities?
For this year, we're working a lot on product expansion, because banks by definition are multiple product solutions, and when you start one, you don't have all the options. But we are expanding to give, because our thesis is a company, they don't have to have like a bank for corporate card, a bank for invoicing, a bank for accounts payables. They want to have a single bank that offer all in one. So this is what we are creating in Brazil. So right now we have the bank account, the business bank account. We help companies on their invoicing, account receivables, on all the payables. We have credit cards, corporate cards, fixed income investments, and now we're working to expand that to offer acquiring, so all of our companies' clients to receive through cards, and Forex to submit to money from any other country in the world. Maybe crypto is something on our roadmap, so we are expanding the operations.
Okay. Now here we are in Miami at LTF. What are your key takeaways from this event? I know there are many leaders and experts that are here with you.
Exactly. The event's been amazing. So we have a lot of amazing founders here, business people from tech. So it's pretty good to exchange idea and learn about the challenges of those companies. And by understanding that, we also want to help them. So how Stark Bank can help all those entrepreneurs to achieve their challenges.
If you could invent a gadget or an invention that would make your life easier, what would it be?
Well, it's a tough question. Well, I would think that if I could create a robot, a machine that can code for myself, I would love that.
All right, well, it's been wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thank you for having me.